क्या नाम हुआ सर आपका?
मेरा नाम रजनीश कुमार है।
कहाँ से आए सर आप?
हम अभी लंदन से आए हैं।
लंदन से आए हैं। कैसी अनुभूति हो रही है सर आपको यहाँ पे?
ये तो शांति की अनुभूति रहती है। वैसे तो हमको तो मतलब यहाँ आने के पहले ही मेरे को लगा था कि आना चाहिए, एंड फिर मेरे पापा से कहा कि हम लोग प्लान करते हैं एक दिन आने के लिए। 3 दिन के लिए आए हैं, मगर फिर भी हमने यहाँ आने के लिए समय निकाला।
Sir, if you are not comfortable in Hindi, you may speak in English, sir.
I'm fine in Hindi as well. But, the thing is, I just wanted to come here. I had seen some videos of Rajrappa because of the water, and that attracted me to the mandir as well. And then I had come here long back, maybe 30-40 years back, when I was just a kid. So I thought I'll come again and revisit my memories along with the power of the divine goddess. So that's what brought me here, and then I'm here because of the goddess called me here.
Sir, as you said, you are living in London and Jharkhand, also in India. Could you define or could you share the differences between the culturals and the local heritage which has been you are feeling in London and this in the Jharkhand, sir?
See, even in UK, there is a lot of Indian community, and we try to assimilate with the community in the UK so that we live together. Because wherever you live, that is your community. Whether it is Indian or the British community, we stay together, live together, and then strive for a better world, which is peaceful and lives in collaboration.
That is your thinking, sir. But basically, I am talking about their culture, heritage, how the peoples are feeling. They are living in the Western cultures, but we are feeling purely Indian culture. There is a lot of differences between that Western cultures and this local authority or local Indian cultures. Just asking for a difference, how you live there and you are such associated with such type of devotional work. You are just come from here to visit in the Rajrappa Mandirs. What is your basics differences?
So differences will be there. We are a totally different culture. We are, I think, one of the most ancient civilizations in the world. God and apart from that, God, parents as well are so very prime in our lifestyle, in our culture and tradition, and that remains still. That always would be the binding stone of the Indian culture and Indian heritage.
As for your information, I could also explain that this temple has been constructed 6,000 years ago, sir. This is the very much heritage of the India which has been published to the public.
So yeah, that's true, and I was reading through it as well before I came here once again to kind of remind myself of the purpose of this temple. Also, what we should do is kind of market it more so that more people come and get the blessings of the goddess.
What is your feedback or review about these temples? If you are talking about the infrastructural developments and many other situations which were not prevailing here, could you explain anything which are feeling that there should be more so that the people can enjoy too much there?
So I see a lot of construction work already going on while I was coming from Dhanbad. Only thing is that it can be only improved for the better. A lot of work is going on, and I believe the government in the coming time will surely be able to make it much better and smoother for people to come and then take the blessings.
Okay, thank you for connecting us.
Thank you so much. Thank you.